Hi, I'm Bridget from Crosby's. I like to have snacks on hand that are healthy and satisfying, like these Trail Mix Energy Bites. They hit the spot, are filling, and are full of healthy stuff. Even my daughter, who often complains about healthy food, loves them. This recipe lends itself to endless variations. You can use different nut and seed butters, and you can use different seeds, depending what you have in the cupboard. Combine oats and coconut in the food processor and pulse for a few seconds. Then add remaining ingredients and whir until combined. To make these school-friendly, substitute sunflower seed butter for the peanut butter. Another option is to swap out the honey for maple syrup if you'd like to make them vegan. Then, using a tablespoon measure, scoop the mixture, press it firmly into the measuring spoon and nudge it out. Place the bites on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and chill for 30 minutes before serving. These energy bites will last for a week in the fridge. Make a batch on the weekend so you have them to grab during the week when you're hungry and need something quick. For more delicious molasses recipes, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.